Hello friends, so I found something very interesting and I did hope that this is really going to help anyone watching this video. You can be from America, you can be from Europe, anywhere you're coming from. This is very interesting. So I had a conversation with ChatGPT and I asked ChatGPT like if I have to make $2,000 by the end of this week, what exactly I can do to make such amount of money. The answer that ChatGPT gave it to me is mind blowing, and I did hope that this is really gonna help us all. So let's see what ChatGPT replied to me. Wow, this is very impressive. So ChatGPT told me that I should act as expert on a given skills. So let's say that I'm really good at teaching people how to grow their YouTube channel. So ChatGPT told me that I can act as an expert and sell anything that I can offer to people and I can get money. So ChatGPT told me that if I'm an expert of teaching people like how to grow their YouTube channel, I can charge one person $100 and teach him or teach her how to grow his or her YouTube channel. And if I get at least 20 clients, that means I can make up to $2,000 by selling this course for $100. So let's say that you really know how to cook and you want to teach people how to cook, so you can decide like how many students, how many clients do you really want. And if you want at least 100 people, you have to go ahead and start selling this course to 100 people for only $20, and that means you can be in a position to make $2,000 by the end of this week. And it cannot be maybe this week, maybe this month, it just depends on how willing you are. So a lot of us know different stuff. I'm pretty sure that any person watching this knows different things to do. You can be really good at editing, you can be really good at cooking, you can be really good at hair cutting and all that. So you can go ahead and start telling people that you are offering this service, and these people will be ready to pay you just by you offering this service to them. You are going to sell this course to them and you can get money just by doing that. This is a very good thing about making $2,000 just by using your mind. The really good thing about ChatGPT has made it more easy for you to start making this such amount of money. If it wasn't for ChatGPT, maybe you would think as it's really hard to make such amount of money. It's really hard to make $2,000. But by this strategy that ChatGPT has given us, you can think about it and start making money in a very very easy way. And it doesn't need to be $2,000. It can be $500. By using this strategy, you can earn an amount of money that you think it can be possible for you. So let's go to the next one. All right, so I think this is more interesting than the first one. How can you make such amount of money in just 1 week or in a given time? It just depends on how ready you are. So ChatGPT has told me that you can sell AI service. Let's say that there are a lot of people right now, they don't know how to use AI. And the good thing about AI is that you can use ChatGPT to use a given AI. And a lot of people, they need to know different AI, like AI for video editing, AI for voiceover. There are a lot of AI tools that a lot of people need to know. A lot of people, they need to learn about these AI tools. So you can use ChatGPT to learn about these AI tools. You can find only 4 clients and start selling this AI course for only $500. So if you're going to sell for only $500 per each person, that means you can be in a position to make more than $2,000 by the end of this week or by the end of the month. So this one is very interesting, and there are a lot of people out there that they really need to learn, they really need to know about AI. So this one is very interesting, and I really want to say that you can go ahead and try this out. This one is very interesting, and I think I'm gonna try this out and see how much I'm gonna make. So ChatGPT told me that I shouldn't be waiting for customers. I should go ahead and approach these clients on their Instagram account. So I should find this small business on Instagram and ask them if I can be their social media manager. I can be there to to post and handle all these activities on their social media. So it explained it very well. It said that I should find at least 10 small business in just 1 week, and after finding these 10 business, I should charge them $200 per each business. So that makes $2,000 by the end of the week. So if I'm gonna be willing to do that, I'll be able to make such amount of money. There are a lot of business that are very small online, and these small business, they are now looking for a person who can handle their social media accounts and all that. If you're willing to offer this service, I'm pretty sure that you can get this money that you want. And this one is very easy, and I'm pretty sure that anyone knows how to post, anyone knows how to handle social media, so it will be so easy for you to work on this. It doesn't need to be like 10 business. You can just choose 5 business, work so hard and in a very perfect way, so that they can keep using you there. And this is how you're going to be making this amount of money, like every month or every week. It just depends on how many customers that you have and how long you are willing to do this work. So let's go to the next one. This is another way that ChatGPT has advised us on how to make $2,000 by the end of this week. And this is what ChatGPT told me, that it said that I should go ahead and join on more than 10 groups on Facebook and tell them that I offer services as video editing, writing, and thumbnail designing. There are a lot of people who are really lazy to edit their own videos or to design their good thumbnails on YouTube channels. So it can be really easy for me to go ahead and find these clients, because they may be looking for a person like me. So let's say that I get at least 10 clients and charge them at least $200 each person. I can be in a position to make $2,000 by the end of the week or by the end of the month. It just depends on our agreement. But this one is very good as well. So other good way that you can find these clients in a very easy way is to go on Fiverr or Upwork. This is a place that a lot of people are going there to look for a person who can edit their video, design good thumbnails for them, but also to write different projects and all that. I would really advise you to go and create an account on Fiverr and Upwork. These are the platforms that can be really easy for you to find these clients, and you can start making such amount of money. So I didn't want to say that this is a very good way for you to start making money. Maybe if you didn't know or you didn't have any talent or any skills, the only thing that I can advise you right now, I think, is to go ahead and you can just take 1 week. Right now it's very easy to learn any new skills, because with the help of ChatGPT you can just learn within a very short time about AI, and anything that you want to learn through ChatGPT, it can be so easy. And after that you can start offering service and you can start making money. And the good thing about ChatGPT is gonna provide for you good short codes. It's gonna write for you anything that you want, so that you can start selling this course for your clients and all that. So this one is very, very easy way for you to start making money. And I think I'm gonna try one of these. So I will come back again, as I always do on this channel. I will come back again and I will show you like the best way that really works. So thanks so much, and I really hope to see you next time. Have a great day.